So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to select adjust for best performance, which will now untick everything. Now you want to select custom. You want to select show thumbnails instead of icons, and you want to select smooth edges of screen fonts. So you want to untick everything, but just keep these two checked, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search again and type in visual effects. Click on it. Make sure that you have transparency effects turned off and animation effects also turned off. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in startup apps. Click on it. This will show us all the applications that automatically start once the computer turns on. So for me, in my case, when I turn on my computer, Microsoft OneDrive turns on automatically. I don't want it to do this, so I'm going to turn this off. You want to turn off all the applications that you do not want to start automatically when your computer turns on. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in disk cleanup. Click on it. If it gives you an option, you want to select your Windows drive. It's most likely going to be your C drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. You want to choose that drive. Now once we're here, you just want to select all these files and then click on clean up system files. And now once this comes up again, you want to select all these files once again. And now once you tick everything in this list, you want to click on OK and then click on delete files. You can repeat that for all your drives on your computer. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in add remove programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to remove all the applications that you don't use. So just go through this list. If you see any applications that you don't use, then you want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc space / scan now and then click on enter. And now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you want to type in dism space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and then click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete both these scans, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.